Well, back here at Lake Charles. Today's like the 26th of November. Got another, got another big black drum on. Hang on, let me try to do this. I don't know if you can see that. Trying to hold the camera steady for it. Oh, come on. Oh, he's taking a lot of line out. Oh, this is almost impossible. And I think I got a fish on the other line. Straight for you guys. Oh, I got a fish on the other line. Alright, no, I don't. Try to reel this other line up so I can get this guy in. Need more hands. Oh, come on. Let's see, hold it with my foot. Man, this guy's pulling a lot of line. Get this thing reeled up so I can get it out of my way. He's still pulling. Still pulling. Alright, that one's out of the way. Now I can kind of focus getting this guy in. Come on. Come on. Come on up, come on up. And there he is. There he is. Another black drum. Another black drum. See how big he is. Compared to the size of my foot. There he is right there on the side of my boat. Alright, I'm about to turn this thing off, but it's going to be a good day.